Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to schedule a call with Simple's customer support in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Simple account. So go ahead and log into your Simple account using your email address and password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on the help button that's in the top navigation bar. And once you've clicked that, you can just select schedule a call from the drop down menu of the help button. And once you've done that, you can just choose a call topic, or you could describe your issue in detail. And then you're going to need to select a call time that works for you. And don't forget to provide your phone number and just wait for a call from Simple's customer support team at the time that you've already set. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to schedule a call with Simple's customer support in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.